unboxing of Starlink Standard Kit. Right now, we bring you one of the best internet sources. You can have it as a standard kit, which is very good for residential use, with the setup right there, how you're going to connect it. Very well showing on how to set it up. This is the actuator. We're gonna have it set up like that. Outside, somewhere on top of a roof, you can configure it from there. Inside we have the LAN cable with a very good connecting LAN port for connecting into the dish right here, right there, and it clicks right in there. Have it set somewhere there, slightly at an angle from the ground, if you wish, like that. Quite large. And then we have the router. The router is right there with connectors. So the LAN port is there and the cable is right here. So we are going to connect it into the router, which is the one providing wireless internet to your devices from this area. You get 2 Ethernet ports right there for your devices, and there is this one here which you can use. It's like a rubber, which is there, right there. How do you power this? Just position it somewhere inside your house. This long LAN cable will enable the connectivity for this router to be inside your house or somewhere in an outside area. How do you power this? You have the adapter, you have the cable, and it's a normal 3-pin 13 amperes fused. Plug cable to your socket or power outlet, and this is the adapter, just like the one you use elsewhere. I don't know for your laptops, but it looks quite different because the specifications here may not be like the ones you use for your TV or other devices. So you can have it, you can see, goes click right there. This is the adapter which is able to help you power your router. So this one goes to your power source extension cord somewhere on your power outlet. This one, the pin connector, will now be able to power where you see the lightning sign, and you plug it in right there. You can see that goes in very well. Ensure it is firmly fixed so that you power your device, your router. Then after setting up everything in the right way as expected, you can have some little here and there. So you can use this setup. It's done now because from the power source right here, from the power source to the adapter, this is the router, and I'm gonna know how to set it up somewhere. The LAN cable into the satellite receiver. It should be somewhere outside so that it can be able to communicate with the satellite of Elon Musk. I don't know how you name it. SpaceX. Then other setups after you power it on will be done on your app. Thank you very much.